So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's online class. In the previous class, we have seen textual exercises, and today we will be dealing about the grammar part. I request everyone to open page number 109. I'll give you 5 seconds time. Please open your reader page number 109. I hope you have opened textbook. So we have stream of comedy. Stream of comedy means how comedy has come into Telugu film industry and who are the comedians of the yesteryears, what kind of role they have played in various movies, and how did that show an impact on the audience. So in every Indian language, comedian is an essential character of films. So comedy plays a vital role actually. When someone makes or cracks a joke, or if someone makes a humor, we feel a little bit relaxed. Okay, we enjoy ourselves when people crack jokes and when people act, especially the role of comedy. So in Telugu film, Relangi and Ramana Reddy, actually these two are the very senior most comedians. So you might have not seen them, but of course I have seen in some old movies. Relangi and Ramana Reddy. In fact, when we talk about Maya Bazar also, Duryodhana's son is Lakshmana Kumara. So Lakshmana Kumara's role was taken by Relangi. And even Ramana Reddy, who is very thin and lean, actually, is very lean. But the sense of humor. These two people have a great touch for comedy. And when you look at them now, in the present generation, in the contemporary world, you might have seen Brahmanandam, right? Brahmanandam, when you look at his face, we will not be able to control our smile or laugh because they have given such a kind of, they have mesmerized us with their comedy. So it makes audience laugh heartily. Heartily means to your whole heart, you feel you feel very happy. So their appearance appeal to the film lovers. So when they come on the screen, the moment Brahmanandam or Relangi or Ramana Reddy or Rajababu, actually there were many comedians there, and in the olden days the comedy was so good that it was really a clean comedy. Nowadays we have even some double meaning or satirical comedy, but in the olden days it was really a amusing comedy. So now what we have is that we have some information about all these great comedians. So what we are supposed to do is uh, we will read out the sentences and we'll try to make them in a proper order. It is jumbled. Let us first read out. Relangi was fat and short. Of course, Relangi appearance, he looks very fat and he is very short. And their accent amused the film lovers. The slang, the way they delivered the dialogue, it has really made people amused. And Ramana Reddy was very thin, I mean very lean, but he is very tall. I'll show the pictures afterwards. And Padmanabham and Allu Ramalingaya. You might have seen Allu Ramalingaya. He is the uncle of megastar Chiranjeevi also. You might have seen him in many movies also. I think in one movie where Venu was the actor, it's a comedy movie. He was there in that movie. Of course, these people have all passed away. Padmanabham, you might have seen in Badra movie, the grandfather of Ravi Teja. Okay. These people, why have they set a trend mark is that they were very spontaneous in comedy and their dialogue delivery was so different. Everybody has a different way of, expressing their expressions, and even the way they narrate or they speak out the dialogue was so great that it has captured every audience. Okay, and fine. His name found a place in the Guinness Book of World Records, and Rao Gopal Rao, stint as a villain come comedian, has been admired by all. And Mr. 101 districts, Nutan Prasad, left an indelible mark in the hearts of the audience. So this is Ali and Sunil are comedians. He had a world record. Brahmanandam had a long career. People have been laughing. Rajababu came later. Sorrows of people are taking a back seat. He amused the people for long, and they are also considered heroes. What are we supposed to do is that we have to arrange all these jumbled. Okay, all different comedians are given, but we need to arrange according to the chronological order, like who came first, what did you do, and who has taken the next, the footsteps of one comedian and the next person. So first we'll start with Relangi. Relangi was fat and stout. That's the first sentence. If you have your textbook and pencil, please make a note of it. Relangi was fat and short. Okay, he was a great man. And the second one will be Ramana Reddy was lean and tall. That is the second sentence. Ramana Reddy was lean and tall. And the third sentence is their accent amused the film lovers. Accent is the slang, the variation in the dialogue delivery has amused people a lot. So first sentence is Relangi was fat and stout, fat and short, and Ramana Reddy was lean and tall, and their accent amused the film lovers. That's the third sentence. Now, when we talk about fourth sentence, Padmanabham and Allu Ramalingaya followed their footsteps. Padmanabham and Allu Ramalingaya followed their footsteps. That's the fourth sentence. I mean, after these two great versatile comedians, Padmanabham and Allu Ramalingaya has come into Telugu industry. And the fifth sentence would be, I will tell the fifth sentence. Yeah, Rajababu came later. Rajababu, let me see where is that sentence. Yeah, this one. Rajababu came later. That is the fifth sentence. Okay, and the sixth sentence is Rajababu came later and he has amused the people for a long time. He has amused the people for a long time. This is sentence number 6. He has amused the people for a long time. Rajababu, I will show, when you look at his face, you will not even control, you will not even keep quiet. The moment you look at his face, you smile because their face is an index of comedy actually. So Rajababu came later and then he has amused the people for a long time will be sixth sentence. And the seventh sentence would be, I'll tell you out, Rao Gopal Rao stinked. Rao Gopal Rao. Rao Gopal Rao stinked as a villain come comedian has been admired by all. Stinked. You know, he has taken a role of a comedian. At the same time, he has taken a role of comedian in the form of a villain. Okay, that's the greatness of Rao Gopal. Stinct is very, is specific in his villain roles. Though he acted as a villain, he has deliberately given a lot of importance to comedy. So Rao Gopal Rao as a distinct villain has been admired by all. That will be sentence number 7. And the next one will be sentence number 8. Mr. 101 districts, Nutokko Jillalaki Solo Andagani. This was a dialogue which has become so popular in Telugu film industry that Nutan Prasad, after this movie, has got some, the craze and the credit with that one single dialogue in the movie. He acts as a police officer and he always says that in all the 101 districts, I am the solo, handsome person. He has left an indelible mark. Indelible already we have discussed. Indelible means something which cannot be erased. Still today also is there. Huh? He's a great comedian, Nutan Prasad. Okay, then after that you have sentence number 9 would be, I will read out, Brahmanandam had a long career. You might have seen Brahmanandam now. So Brahmanandam had a long career. That is sentence number 9. And sentence number 10 would be, he has a world record. Brahmanandam has a world record of what? What is a world record? The world record is that, I will tell you, that would be this one. His name found place in the Guinness Book of World Records. So this is sentence number 11. His name found place in the Guinness Book of World Records. Brahmanandam has given, has set foot into Telugu industry and he has a record and his name was found in the Guinness Book of Records. That is sentence number 11. And number 12 will be Ali and Sunil are comedians. Even these two people have their own mark of, creating comedy. So Ali and Sunil are great comedians. That's number 12 sentence. And 13th sentence would be, they are considered heroes. You might have seen Ali has gone in Yamalila movies, Sunil, I think, Pularangadu, some other movies, and what is that? Jabilli Rave, Nindu Jabilli, some song will be there, Andala Ramudu. Yeah, these two movies, these people have done excellent, they played a great role acting as comedians and besides heroes. So they are considered as heroes. That is sentence number 13. And 14th sentence, People have been laughing. We have been laughing. You know, today we are still, some of the patients are given comedy scenes as a treatment to relax their mental tensions. In order to reduce the stress levels, comedy is going to be a ultimate free medicine rather than taking the physical tablets. That will be the sentence number 1 minute. Sentence number 14. People have been laughing. And finally, 15th one, 14th, 15th one, I think. 14th. And yeah, sorrows of the people are taking a back seat. Sorrows of the people are taking a back seat. With all these comedians, this is sentence number 15. With all these comedians, okay, the sadness or the heavy heart or the mental tension or the stress of the audience is just wiped away by looking at the comedy of these versatile comedians. So we should give a hats off to all these great comedians who have done very clean and neat comedy without any kind of vulgarity in their comedy. These people are really, absolutely, they are great. Okay, so this is about the comedians. I've given the sequence of the sentences. Please do write in a sequence and present it in the form of a paragraph. Okay, you are supposed to present it in the form of a paragraph. So I will do one thing now. I will share the pictures of these great legendary comedians. Just give me 1 second time. So these are the people, the legendary actors of Telugu film industry who have contributed a lot to the Indian cinema. Now this man is Relangi, and these two are always a combination. Okay, Relangi and Ramana Reddy. These two people have left an indelible mark in the field of comedy. And Padmanabham, that's what I have told you that you have seen in Bhadra movie, who acts as a grandfather or a son of Murli Mohan. So he is Padmanabham and he is Allu Ramalingaya Garu and Rajababu. In fact, I think we have we had his lesson in class 8. And Rao Gopal Rao, his son is Rao Ramesh. You might have seen him in many of the movies. Okay, Rao Ramesh is the son of Rao Gopal Rao, and this man is a great villain along with the stint of comedy. And Nutan Prasad, 101 district solo handsome person is Nutan Prasad. And here comes our versatile person, that is Brahmanandam, okay, who has a world record and who has a Guinness World Record for his, fantabulous movies and great acting career and in making people laugh till today. And no doubt, Ali and Sunil, these two people have added their own way of delivering the dialogues and making the people smile. And besides, these two people have even been acting as heroes. So this is about the comedy. So I request you all people, now whatever the sequence you have written, like which sentence is first and second and third and fourth, like that, you please write it in a form of a paragraph. Okay, try to use some linkers, conjunctions, some words to join and make it like a paragraph. Clear? So here Relangi, Ramana Reddy, Padmanabham, Allu Ramalingaya, Rajababu, Rao Gopal Rao, Nutan Prasad, Brahmanandam, Ali, and Sunil. Right? So with this particular bit is completed. So we'll just have we'll just go to the next topic now. Let's come to this. Prepositions following adjectives and verbs. Let me tell you one thing. Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. What is adjective? Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. And what is verb? Verb is a word which denotes action, condition, state, and position. Okay. So in Rendawa with Ray, we come across certain verbs and adjectives followed by prepositions. Sometimes adjectives, prepositions are followed by either adjectives or verbs. For example, acquainted with. Acquainted is verb and with is preposition. Acquainted is well known. And brought out. Brought is verb and out is preposition. Prevented is verb and from is preposition. Explained to. Explained is verb and to is prepositions. Sometimes we just even tell them like compound prepositions, where a preposition is combined with an adjective or a verb to make the meaning more clear or to make its usage more emphatic. Now read the following sentences and observe the underlined words. I am amazed at you, Victoria. Amazed. Amazed is the verb and it is a preposition there. Similarly, Victoria, a precocious girl. Precocious means someone who is very intelligent, who is very, very sharp in thinking. Of 10, was dressed in colors. Dressed is verb and in is preposition. He is trying to adopt himself to the regrettable occasion. Adopt means to mold or to adjust, okay, or to convert. To is the preposition. Sometimes preposition, sometimes verb is preceded by preposition, or sometimes it is succeeded by the verb. Now he was very fond of Jimmy. Fond is like, of is preposition, fond is verb. I'm sure, I'm sorry for it. Sorry is verb, for is preposition. So sorry is not verb. Okay, it's adjective. Similarly, you have been waiting for me to begin tea. Waiting is a verb, of course, for is preposition. I see the little trifles. Trifles is nothing but the chapel of Abel Meriwether, right? They were compared that. Belonged to father lying there. Belonged is again, belonged is verb and to is preposition. And this is all, this always appealed to me. Appealed is verb again to. So we are trying to combine. Now this is very interesting bit. Here is a list of adjectives. All these are adjectives. Proud, it's a quality. Married, of course, is verb. Good, adjective. Different, adjective. Keen, it's adjective. Famous, adjective. Capable, adjective. Responsible, adjective. Believe, noun or adjective. Shout, verb, or it can be taken as noun. Think can be verb. Agree is verb. Depend is verb. Recover is verb. Belong is verb. Apply is also verb. So now what is our bit is, our bit is to, our context is that we need to, here we have given set of prepositions. So we need to fill in which word, which preposition will come in best with these things. So I will read out the answers for you. I request you to please make a note of it. I request you to please make a note of it. So we can say proud of. We can say proud of. I am proud of you, my boy. If someone achieves something, a principal or like something like the father, I am proud of you, my child. Something like that they say. But not proud with or proud in, proud to, proud at, proud from, on, for. It is not, used along with. So proud of. I am proud of. And married to. Okay. Married to. Shashireka is married to Abhimanyu. Okay. And good. For good, we can say, for good, we have different things. Like for good, we can use good at, that we can use, and good for mostly. He is good at mathematics. He is good for certain things. Okay. These two are the appropriate things. With sometimes will be used, but not mostly. So good at and good for. Okay. And next one, keen. He is keen. Sorry, different. Different from. Different from. So different from and different to. Different from and different to. Either of the things you can use. Different from and different to. Different from and different to. Different to and different from. Okay. And with famous, yeah, is keen in understanding, is keen to know. Keen in understanding or is keen to know. Keen in understanding or keen to know. Keen to know, okay, or keen in. Next one would be capable. Sorry, famous. Is famous for. Is famous for, okay, is famous for. Capable of. Capable of, and I think even for capable, we can also use capable for. Okay, capable of and capable for. Responsible for. Responsible for. Responsible for and responsible to. You are responsible to this work and you are responsible for getting success in your life. Believe in. Believe in. We believe in God. And shout at. Why do you shout at people? Okay, why do you shout at people? And think of something. Okay, think of something. Agree with agree with agree to, and even agree on. I have agreed on your decision, I have agreed with you, and even i am I have agreed with your decision, or I have agreed to your decision, and I agree on your decision, or I agree on your statement. And recover only one word here. Okay, most of the people from are recovering from corona. So recover from, people are recovering from corona. So depend on. So we depend on plants for food, or you can even say, yeah, depend for, depend to, depend at. No, we are only supposed to say depend on. We depend on plants, or we depend on nature for all our good things. Next, belong to. This book belongs to, or this class belongs to, or this monument belongs to, the Mughal emperor, something like that. And apply to and apply for. I have applied to the post of postgraduate teacher, and I have applied for model school, something like that, or I have applied for government job. Okay, so please, I request you to fill in these things. I'm telling you, but how far you're writing, I have a doubt. So please fill it up. Now fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. So this we are going to do now. What might be the time now? 10:30 to 11. So we have only 1 minute time. Beep it. We shall see tomorrow. Thank you very much for your patience in listening. Okay. We shall meet in tomorrow's class. Have a great day.